Hey YouTube! So I realized that I didn't take a proper before photo of the room, so I'll just describe it to you. The walls are painted in blue and purple. It looks just like a little girl's room. I'm going to try to update it and make it look more grown up. First thing we did was emptied everything and did a declutter. Then we scrubbed down the walls and filled up the holes with wall putty. We painted about 3 coats of eggshell yellow. I forgot the name of the color. So this mirror used to be my dressing table mirror. We didn't want to throw it away, so we framed it and attached it to the sides of the shelf. I'll be placing the desk here and it needs to be a bit longer. I'm using these bedboards that I already have to make the top of the desk. So when I was making it, I wasn't sure what material it was. I was hoping it was at least MDF, but it turned out to be particle boards, which is not a very good material to make desks with because if it gets wet, it will just turn soggy and saggy. So but we will still be using this because I don't want to drive to the store and go buy wood planks and then carry them up 4 floors. Okay? For desk number 2, I cut it wide enough to fit a laptop. I got 2 yards of this fabric from an overstock fabric store. When you buy from this kind of store, it can be a hit or a miss. So always wash them before you start the project. Sometimes you get color runs, extreme shrinkages. This one turned out fine. I pull out the threads from the cut ends to create a fringe. The long sides of the fabric is already factory finished, so I left it as it is. I double knotted the threads at both ends to prevent it from falling off. This area is where the mirror used to be. I painted some cardboard and knocked them into place. Since the shelf is quite deep, I left a little ledge to put picture frames and lotions and stuffs. To make the standing mirror, I first glued a piece of cardboard onto the back of the mirror. This is for safety. Then I stapled felt to cover the back up. I screwed 2 pieces of wood onto the sides. I also pre-drilled some holes so that I can bolt the whole thing onto a cloth rack. Yeah. So here's the weird looking standing mirror. And this cloth rack actually acts as a screen. On the back of the mirror, I stapled some twine to make an organizing thingy. So you knot the beginning and the end of the twine. The other side of the shelf gets good sunlight, so I added some plants. I think the cardboard backing blocks off distractions and turns this corner into like a working reading area.